Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Dade City local and long distance movers near me. Allow us to introduce you to 3 Movers, the experts in navigating the intricacies of local moves. Now, let's get back to how Dade City local TM movers can assist you. With our deep knowledge of the city's layout and traffic patterns, as FL movers, we can provide you with a swift and efficient relocation. We understand the challenges of navigating urban areas and can precisely handle the logistics. Dade City long-distance 3 movers are well-versed in the intricacies of cross-state and cross-country relocations. We use professional packing materials and techniques to safeguard your belongings from potential damage during transit. Our team is equipped with the necessary expertise to find our way through the complexities of long-distance moves, including adhering to regulations, obtaining necessary permits, and ensuring timely delivery. Moreover, we prioritize transparent pricing. We offer competitive rates and detailed cost estimates, enabling you to plan your move efficiently. Our certifications and accreditations demonstrate our commitment to professionalism and quality service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dade City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.